What's going on, traders? Here we go. Top stock picks of the week, starting off strong with SPY. By the way, we're on the daily chart time frame. We know that this has been selling off. Finding support at the whole number at $550, but just below the 200 EMA, the stock has started to form a range with support at 550, resistance up here around 565. So this week, we are looking for a break of either one of those levels. Long idea above 565 for the move back topside. Otherwise, on a break of 550, obviously, we'll be getting lower lows, and we can be looking to take it short. So no bias on the direction here, though right now, with the stock leaning closer to the resistance, I am leaning more bullish on this, at least at the beginning part of the week. Number 2 on the list is going to be Microsoft. Similar situation, similar setup. Ranging motion on the daily that's found support. The difference is Microsoft has broken out of the range. Now, it hasn't quite put in a higher high above this peak up here, but it did put in a higher high above this peak here. So for Microsoft to stay relevant this week, I think it needs to stay above $386. We are just going to be looking for higher highs from here. Long idea above 390. Up next on the watch list is AMD, and wouldn't you know it, it's another range. The difference here is that this has not broken out of the range, finding support at $96. It's been consolidating a lot around that $100 whole number with resistance around 102. For AMD to stay relevant this week, it needs to stay above 100. We're looking for the breakout of this range on the daily for the corrective move back to the top side. Long idea above $102. Up next on the watch list is going to be NVIDIA. Now, this is a different setup. You've got a break of the downtrend trend line on the daily. The stock has been making higher high, higher high, higher high, all the way to reclaim the 200 EMA on the daily. We're looking for higher highs from here. Who are we to stop the trend? Long idea above $122. Up next is INTC. The stock gapped up last week on a positive reaction to a news catalyst, but has yet to do anything since then. Had an inside day at the end of the week last week, meaning it did not make a higher high and it did not make a lower low. I have no bias on the trend, though I am leaning a little more bullish, I would say, just because, well, it's up for a reason. Short idea under 23 to fill the gap below. Otherwise, we're looking for higher highs. Long idea above 24.5. If we do get that higher high, I think that'll be enough to push this over the 200 EMA on the daily. Up next is Google. G-O-O-G-L, not G-O-O-G. This setup is not quite a range. You do have lower highs, but you do have a flat line of support, finding support at 162. We are looking for a break of the downtrend trend line here and higher highs for a potential breakout to the top side, especially if this market presses up outside of the range, meaning SPY. Long idea above $167 this week. Otherwise, we can look to take it short below 162. Before I get to the next one, the $1,000 account challenge is in full effect, and a lot of members here in the Discord server are absolutely crushing it. I mean, members being up hundreds of dollars last week. So if you'd like to participate in the challenge, it's not too late. Start at any time with any amount. Come join the Discord server. The link to join the Discord server is going to be in the description of this video. Join the WAP first to get access to the Discord. I would love to see you on the inside and for you to give me an opportunity to be your mentor and show you what I can do. Maybe I can be that person, that missing link that takes you from where you are as a trader to where you want to be as a trader. Last but not least on the watch list is going to be Tesla. Now, we know the stock's been selling off like crazy, but the question here is this sell-off actually warranted? We've had 3 days of consolidation around the $250 whole number. I'm looking for higher highs from here. The stock needs to get above 255 for me to be convinced that 250 is actually being broken. So Tesla, long idea this week above 255. Now keep in mind that these are for day trades. As always, do your own due diligence. This is not investment advice. This is just simply my trading plan. These are not price predictions of where I think these stocks will go, but rather how I intend to trade them if they move the way that I think they might. I don't have a crystal ball. Obviously, I can't see the future, but I do pride myself on being able to choose high probability setups that offer breakout potential. So again, if you'd like to learn from me, I would love to have you as a member of the Discord server. The link is in the description of the video. If not, then I hope that this stock analysis helps you out this week and you're able to make some money. Thank you for your time, and I will see you on the inside. Cheers.